there are a variety of iron-rich foods that can help people to maintain their health. Each of these foods contains a high amount of iron that can be beneficial for the body. As iron promotes the production of red blood cells, they repair the cells and tissues, improving the body's immunity. Consuming the right amount of iron daily will go a long way in improving the body's immune system. Here are some of the iron-rich foods for your diet. Number 1. Tofu. This food is made from soybeans and is a good source of iron. Tofu is a soybean-based food that contains 5.4 milligrams of iron per 100 grams. Tofu is also a good source of protein, calcium, vitamin B1, manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, and more. Number 2. Dark chocolate. Not only does dark chocolate taste great, but it also provides our bodies with iron. In addition to its high iron content, dark chocolate is also a good source of antioxidants. Dark chocolate contains more antioxidants than any other type of chocolate, so it is a great choice for those looking to improve their health. Number 3. Seeds. Sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, and flax seeds are all excellent sources of iron. They're also rich in calories, good fats, vitamin A, folate, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and various phytosterols, making them perfect for those looking to improve their overall health. Number 4. Spinach. Spinach is a very good source of iron for vegetarians, and vitamin C helps iron to be absorbed better in our bodies. Spinach also contains vitamins A and K, and minerals like magnesium and manganese. It is good for our eyes and bones and can help regulate blood pressure in patients with hypertension. Spinach may also reduce the risk of cancer and relieve constipation. Number 5. Dried fruits. Did you know that dried fruits are a great source of iron? For example, 100 grams of prunes contain 0.93 milligrams of iron, while raisins contain 2.6 milligrams and apricots have 6.3 milligrams. Not only are these fruits good for you, but they also have other benefits. Prunes, for example, help with digestion and lower cholesterol levels. Apricots are rich in antioxidants and promote eye, skin, and general good health. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for some dried fruit. Number 6. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are not only a good source of vitamins and minerals, but they're also easy to carry around, making them a great snack for any time of the day. With their high levels of iron, zinc, and manganese, pumpkin seeds can help reduce the risk of insulin resistance and diabetes. Number 7. Whole grains. Whole grains are an excellent source of iron, providing essential nutrients for our bodies. Wheat, millets, oats, brown rice, and quinoa are all excellent sources of iron. Whole grains also contain fiber, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Number 8. Raisins. Raisins are packed with essential nutrients like iron, potassium, and B vitamins, all of which are important for maintaining healthy skin and hair. Raisins also contain antioxidants that can rejuvenate the skin and prevent premature aging. At number 9, lentils. Lentils are an essential part of your diet, and one serving should be included in every meal. Just half a cup of lentils a day can fulfill 20% of your body's iron requirement. Lentils are also a great source of protein, making them highly recommended for vegans and vegetarians. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel.